Both Michael and I have built our businesses with a focus on helping consumers. Sometimes the claims process can be challenging. Michael, there may be a policy provision known as the RTA or right to appraisal. Can you elaborate on what that is and how it works?
Sure. What the right to appraisal is essentially a dispute resolution mechanism that's contained within many auto policies. And typically, they'll utilize language that states something to the effect of if you or we disagree on the amount of loss, either may demand an appraisal of the loss. In this situation, each party will select a competent or disinterested appraiser. The two appraisers will agree to an umpire, and an agreement by any two of the three will be binding. And so let's break that down a little bit because as a consumer, that may be hard to understand. But essentially, what's going to happen is you're going to hire an independent appraiser to represent your interests as the consumer. The carrier is going to hire an independent appraiser to represent their interest as the carrier. Those two appraisers are going to select a third appraiser that essentially serves as an umpire or referee if there cannot be an agreement reached. And what happens is once all of that process is done, typically what we see is there's a reasonable settlement that has now occurred and the consumer can move forward with their claims process, be it reaching a agreement on the repair amount, or maybe it's a situation where there was a disagreement on the value of their vehicle in a total loss situation. But again, not every policy contains these provisions. So as a consumer, you want to be familiar with your policy language and you want to check to make sure that that language is contained within the auto policy you currently have.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.